Hello students, this is the recording of class 1 of business communication which was scheduled on 22nd March. So just a quick summary recording of whatever we studied on that day. We started with the basic difference between the words and words which are often used wrongly. There and there. It sounds almost similar, but the spellings are different and the meaning of these words are also different. There का simple meaning है वहाँ, means you are pointing towards some direction. I have kept the book there. She is going there. So there means some place, some direction. Whereas there means there shows possession. It means unka. It is their house. Unka ghar hai. So the term there shows possession. So there and there are totally different, but people often get confused when they are writing. Then and than. While than shows comparison, Neha is taller than Sneha. So THAN wala than will always show comparison. I earn more than my sister. So here again I'm comparing. Then means बाद में. You come home, then we'll go for the movie. So यहाँ पे then means उसके बाद. So again one word का difference है, but it changes the entire meaning of the word. Then an and h, these are what? Articles a and the. Now an is used before vowels. There are 5 vowels in the English vocabulary: a, e, I, o, u. 5 vowels and 26 consonants. So an is used before these vowels, but sometimes an is used even before a word which does not start with a vowel. Example, honest. He is an honest man. H is not a vowel, yet an is used before H. Not always, but in some cases before H you use an. MBA. He is a MBA नहीं बोलते हम. He is an MBA. Again, an is used before M, though M is not a vowel. Then homely woman. She is a very homely woman. Now here H है, but her H के पहले हम vowel नहीं use करते, और it will be normal A because H is a consonant. Then again, commonly misspelled words, commonly used words in a wrong way. Air, hair and hair. ये थर्ड वाला हेयर इज रैबिट वाला हेयर. HAIR हेयर मतलब बाल. एंड ये HEIR जो है ये हेयर नहीं है, इसको हम एयर बोलते हैं. द H इज साइलेंट ओवर हियर. एयर इज लीगल एयर जो हम बोलते हैं कि ही इज़ माई लीगल एयर. तो वो जो लीगल एयर वाला एयर है दैट इज़ HEIR वाला एयर. So heir means the successor, legal heir. Now we come to common nouns, pronouns, basically the parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in the English vocabulary. The very first basic one is pronoun. Pronoun is used in place of proper noun. Pronoun is a category of nouns: dogs, cats, buildings, cities, countries. So anything which is used in common, anything which does not specify the name of a particular place, animal, thing, etc., that is a common noun. Common noun are used in place of proper nouns. If I say Ram is my student, Ram goes to school, Ram studies regularly, Ram sleeps early, Ram gets up early. Instead of using Ram, Ram, Ram everywhere, we will just use Ram once, and thereafter the proper noun will be replaced by common noun. So common noun again has a subcategory which is a collective noun. So always remember, for MCQs this can be asked. 2 broad categories are common noun and pronoun. Then common noun has a further subcategory of collective noun, and collective nouns are a part of common noun. This can be used for objective. Then pronouns are nothing but personal pronoun: I, we, you, she, he, it, him, us, them, etc. Then there is something called as relative pronoun. It acts as a conjunction: whom, which, that. Very important. They are also a pronoun. So basically 3 types: personal pronoun, relative pronoun and possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun, again the word itself shows possession. This book is mine. तो यहाँ पे mine बन जाता है pronoun. But कौन सा वाला pronoun? Possessive pronoun. Why possessive pronoun? Because it shows the possession of the book. The house is theirs. So theirs becomes pronoun here because it shows possession. I gave her the dress that she wore at the party. Now here again, that becomes conjunction pronoun, relative pronoun. What are adjectives? Very simple. A term which highlights the noun. It is a government financed project. Now here project is a noun. Now we don't know what project it is. Is it द रूरल विलेज प्रोजेक्ट, उस प्रोजेक्ट का कोई नाम है, अगर नाम है तो अगर वो नाम लिखते हैं तो वो प्रॉपर नाउन बन जाता है. इफ़ दे हैव सिंपली स्टेटेड प्रोजेक्ट, it means it is a common noun, and a term which highlights the common noun is an adjective. What type of project? Government finance project. It is a document. Document again is a common noun. We don't know which document. But if I say something more about the document which is a noun, it is a well written document. So well written becomes adjective. Verb again is easy. These are terms which show action. I am teaching, you are listening, music is being played, cricket, they are playing cricket. यहाँ पे playing बन जाता है verb. Now what are adverbs? Adverbs modify the adjective. She is dressed in a beautiful way. अब यहाँ पे beautiful बन जाता है adjective तुम्हारा. बट इस adjective को अगर हम थोड़ा modify करें तो वो adverb बन जाता है. She is dressed beautifully. यहाँ पे हम beautiful को थोड़ा modify करके ly add करते हैं, it becomes adverb. For adverb, remember a shortcut. 95% of the adverbs will always end with an ly.